Pacifico Energy is an energy company operating in Japan, mainly developing business in the field of renewable energy, such as solar, wind, and energy storage. Pacifico Energy builds and operates solar and wind farms and promotes sustainable energy production and use. Also, Pacifico Energy is developing technologies such as smart grids to efficiently manage power demand and supply, and is carrying out a grid-connected battery ESS project for the first time in Japan with LS Electric. First of all, I'd like to thank you for agreeing to this interview, Mahdi.
Pleasure.
This is our first customer interview that we are doing. We are very excited and thankful that you're going to be part of this with our journey. This is Pacifico Energy office. We have some questions that we would like to share. Can you just briefly introduce yourself and your company?
Sure. My name is Mahdi Behrangrad. I'm head of energy storage and VPP business department in Pacifico. We try to create energy storage business as a renewable energy developer. What we are aiming is to create green, reliable and affordable energy to keep this beautiful sky clear. And what I do is try to realize that through creating the business for energy storage.
Just let us know how your company became acquaintance with our company.
Sure. LS is a name that people will face if they're working in this industry, and LS Japan has done some project. We were familiar with the quality of the work they have been doing. Very initially, actually we reached out to see what sort of solutions they have and how we can collaborate in the project. And thankfully the response was quite good. The spirit of collaboration was high and agility was there. I like the fact that LS can bring lots of parts to the table and then create a solution out of it. So we took the discussion from there, from very start, let's say, unofficial meetings, all the way that now we are doing projects together.
Talking about the project, I know we're doing it together, some projects. Would you be able to maybe explain a little bit about what kind of project it is?
Sure. One thing that we are really proud of is we, with LS, are the only company that right now have developed grid-scale utility side of energy storage in 2 markets in the same time. It's in northern part of Japan and southern part of Japan. The environment is a bit challenging, the timeline was challenging, but together, working as a team, we managed to get the things online, on cost, budget, and these are energy storage projects. They're aiming to help the grid keep its reliability, keep the lights on, and renewable energy connected. We look forward to continue doing so in future too as well, actually.
With this project especially, what was it like working with our team as a person?
Sure. This project, to be very honest, had a very demanding timeline.
I've heard.
And it was going to be implemented in areas that in winter are full of, let's say, snow. So a challenging environment, a challenging deadline, and it needed to go an extra mile, to be honest, to deliver it. The experience that we faced, and we actually appreciate that, is that spirit of collaboration, that feeling that if there is a particular challenge, it's not either your problem or my problem, it's our problem, and we should think about how we want to solve it, because if a project fails, no one is happy. If it reaches a great milestone, everyone is happy. And that was clear from the very beginning, which I really liked.
You know the ESS project is getting bigger and bigger,
Sure.
not just in Japan, but in a global market. So what would you say Pacifico's direction and strategy is in ESS projects?
Good question. What I can clearly say is that we are here to stay, and I can proudly say we are pioneer in this market. This market is going to be huge, and the potential is tremendous, but for people who know what they're doing. We are going to go toward bigger projects and more diversified portfolio regarding the size, regarding technology, and regarding the location.
So with the visions and strategy and the ability of Pacifico, what would you say LS Electric will be like as a partner in the future in this industry?
Sure, that's we have complementary capabilities, or in this business, we definitely should work with companies like LS. LS being a good manufacturer, being a good solution provider, and we are a developer. We try to create a project, so taking all that risk and make sure that the things are on time, on budget, and happen, because there are lots of stakeholders involved, from finance to the local authorities to the regulators. But those things need to have suitable products, suitable solutions that you can rely on. If things go wrong, are going to be taken care of, and we can trust the technology that we are using, so we can transfer this promise to the clients. So this needs a dedicated, prestigious, and capable solution provider. It's a good thing to collaborate and cooperate.
Thank you so much. I really, truly hope that we have more chances to do projects in the future. And you were wonderful today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Same here. Appreciate it.